Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make the crafts using the stuff you bought. And this is the water bottle. It didn't come in the kit, but you can get one easily at a store. You can buy one and drink one. These water tablets, you can use them to color the water. The paper clips that come, you'll need 3 for each jellyfish, and some scissors so you can cut things out. The 2 straws will come in the kit too, and the eyes. There's lots of sizes. So first thing you're gonna do is bend the straw like this and cut it. But it can't be too small, or it can't be too big, or else it'll not go down. So now I'm gonna do the second one. And now I'm gonna put these over here. Then you can mix the colors if you want. And I'll put this over here and this other one like so over here. We'll put them like each side goes up. Then we put the other paper clip over here and do like this. Then we'll put the last paper clip. And you do that again for the other one. Now we get the eyes and we put them over on the jellyfish. Then we get the other one and put it the jellyfish too. Now we take the water bottle and put the color tablet in and wait for the water to turn the color you want. Now you open it and drop the jellyfish in. They'll float like this. And now you put them in. And you can fill up the water bottle and they'll still float like this. Now we're gonna make the stress bottles. First, you put the tablet in. Wait for the water to change color. Then we open the sequence. using the scissors. Put it in the bottle. And you open the glitter. And put it in. Now we'll close it. And the glitter and the sequins are spreading around like this. After that, we put in the pom-poms. And we shake it. So this is how the stress bottle should look like, and this the jellyfish should look like. And the glasses, you'll be getting a pair of glasses. The instructions come separate for that. Thank you for watching.